Hey guys, I'm Zayden and I'm going to be running you through a simple armbar from Matt. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get on top of your training partner, and then you're just going to get both of your knees underneath their armpits. This is called high mount. Now, the reason you want high mount is because you got better control over them. Okay, so now that you both have both of the wrists where you want and not just lying down there, they're closer together, so it's easier for you to get moves. Now you're gonna get this hand, reach it through, and grab right there. Now after you do that, you're gonna get this one, and pretend there's a piece of ice that you want to punch. So you're just gonna go right next to their head. Now I'm gonna do it in slow motion for you guys. Now you're gonna spin around like this, like that. This foot's gotta go where your fist was before. Then after that foot goes there, you take this off. Then after you do that, you want to lay back and make sure that part of your arm is wrapped around their arm. And if you want, it's better, you can underhook their leg like that. It's better. Then you're going to bring these feet towards you, just like that, and squash the knees together. Then you're going to hit upwards, and that will break their arm. Now I'm going to run through it for you guys again, this time a bit faster. So get your knees underneath their armpits, like that. Now the hands are where you want them, so you've got more control over them. This arm is going to reach through, under there, and grab their elbow. This hand's going to punch some ice next to their head like that. And now you are going to simply spin around like that. This foot goes straight there, lean backwards. That goes in this, over their arm. And if you want, you can underhook their leg for better control over them. Now you're going to pretend there's nobody there and pull your heels towards you. Now that it's nice and tight, you put your knees together and hip upwards. Like that, and that will break their arm. Now I'm going to go through this one more time. This time I'm not going to tell you what to do, so try and remember. And that's simply how you do a simple armbar from Matt. Thanks for watching, and check out my new videos that are going to come out.